Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make pumpkin spice latte. Start by heating milk gently while whisking in pumpkin puree and spices, then brew a strong espresso shot, and froth milk until silky, pour over espresso, and top with whipped cream and a sprinkle of pumpkin spice for a cozy finish. Gather your ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth and relaxed. Measure milk, pumpkin, sweetener, and spices, and have espresso ready. A small whisk or milk frother helps blend the puree into the milk so you get a smooth, creamy texture that carries the pumpkin flavor well without lumps or separation. Warm the milk and whisk in pumpkin, sugar, and spice until well combined, then add vanilla. Brew espresso or strong coffee and pour it into your cup. Froth the milk mixture until silky and pour over coffee, spooning any foam on top. Finish with whipped cream and a dusting of pumpkin spice for a cafe-style treat you can enjoy at home.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.